Hello everybody, it's April 20th. It's time for our 6th Diamond Report. We're going to jump right in. Number one, I have received several reports in the last couple of days from some games around the area in the state, and just some reports that there's some bench jockeying going on. Teams jockeying back and forth across the field, chatter coming from dugouts to officials or umpires, chatter coming from the field to the opponent when they're on the field, and quite honestly, it's got to stop. This has been a point of emphasis from the NFHS at least the last couple of years. It's something that's been in all the coaches and umpires rules meetings, and the first line of defense starts with the coach and the school. And so coaches, I'm asking you to step up, take the lead. And if you're a head coach that gets wrapped up into the competition like I did and you're not paying attention like you should, please assign this role to an assistant coach. Have somebody keep tabs on what your kids are saying, what they're yelling, who they're talking to, and then you've got to stop it immediately. You've got to put a stop to it. Likewise, I'm asking umpires to, if and when you would hear some of this going on and it crosses the line of unsportsmanlike conduct, you go to that coach, that head coach, you verbally warn them. And if an inning or two later it's still going on, you've already warned them, you have the ability to issue a written warning and restrict that head coach to the dugout because of the actions of the team in that bench. So just remember you have that tool in your tool belt. And at the end of the day, everybody involved needs to get along. We need to show good sportsmanship from the team side of it. Umpires need to work with professionalism and respect to the team and to the coach. And remember in some cases that these coaches are also working with young men. And young men sometimes make poor decisions. So it's give and take, but I'm asking everybody to really emphasize in this area, we need to clean that up because we don't want it to escalate and get any worse. So just a word on bench jockeying and sportsmanship. Next, it's been cool this summer, a lot of up and down temperatures. I've been asked about heaters in the dugout. Yes, they are legal as long as those heaters stay on the opposite end of the dugout away from any bats. Umpires, when it's a cold day and you've got heaters in the dugout, keep an eye on that. Coaches, keep an eye on it. Make sure the bats are not near those heaters. And finally, coaches, make sure you're keeping everybody, players and coaches, in the dugout when they're not supposed to be in that live ball area. Not on the buckets outside of the dugout. Just stay in the dugout, please. And then, too, if you're asked to do that, please do that. If the umpires ask you to do that. Couple other final topics. Umpires, there's still a little bit of room left for a three-person or three-umpire mechanics clinic that's going to be produced by the NSAA May 1st. Please sign up if you're interested. Coaches, a reminder, you can still submit a ballot for postseason consideration of umpires. Do that through your login. And with that, you all have a good day.